Hello everybody, this is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing how to share edit link on Google Forum. So basically, if you're looking for this particular part, then first of all I would like to mention about the link in the description of this video, using which you can now support to our channel. So it is going to be a huge help if you do that. Alright, so talking about sharing your link, basically it is adding collaborators. So if you are trying to add some collaborators, which is the term used on Google, open your Google Forms, and on the top right you will be able to see three dots. Then click on those three dots, click on add collaborator, then click on invite people, and in the add editor window, add email addresses to share it with others and click on send. So every person that you share the email with will be a collaborator, means that he can edit the link through the link that is sent on their email address, so it is easily accessible and editable for you guys. So I hope this solution was fast and easy, and if you find this video interesting and learn something new, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As well, head over to the link in the description of this video to donate to our channel. That is going to be really helping us out, guys. So yeah, see you in the next video. For more videos like these, head over to Tutorials Hub.